All right, here we go. Here. Trading the Apex accounts here. Let's see, I got qualified accounts today. 150 on those. Got 3 accounts. 3. Yep. I'm going to do a little group here. Manage group. And I will add this, call it 150 K3. Jolena, hello, hello. Wow, my Nightbot's working. That's cool. You're up very early. Yeah, it's gonna create a little copy trade in here. 150K qualifying accounts. Apex. Need to get some water going here. Good evening, good morning to everybody out there in the Philippines, if you're out there. All right. Let me grab a little stand here. Out in the backyard, I left it out. I was out there in the back. There it is. All right. Gonna give a little bit of trading in this afternoon for Power Hour. All right, Power Hour trading. That's it. Ready to go. Close that door. All right, it's looking a little boring. That's what it looks like here. I'm going to put you guys into a little stand here so it's a little easier for me. I froze on that one. Okay, ready? Bear with me here. Jeez. Sunder, hello. I'm in Northern California. Where the Sharks play. I'm gonna grab myself a water here in a minute. Jolena. Moderator. Jolena. That's a little too bright over there. I'm gonna put you over here. All right. I'll put this here, I suppose. Just trying to get set up. Sorry about that. Oh, it fell. Too heavy, I guess. There we go. Kind of, sort of. Okay, all grouped up here. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna get some water. I'm gonna need some water. All right. I'm gonna be getting a little in here. Hold on a minute. I'm just trying to set up a little bit here. Got this on the screens. I'm gonna get the chat up here as well. I'm not on Seeking Success. I think I'm on Seeking Trades, huh? Seeking Trades. So I gotta go back a few. Go to Switch Accounts. Seeking Trades. Seeking Trades here. I don't no, I don't trade crypto. I mean, I used to trade it a little bit. I traded. I just did some Bitcoin. I made like 14 grand off of it. When I sold it at like 29,000 something. But yeah, I had it in like the 15s, and then it went up, and obviously it went way up after that. It went to like 60 something thousand way later. But yeah, I'm more of a futures trader for the most part. I'm gonna pull up a my channel here so I can still chat with you guys. I'm gonna mute that. Cool. Here you go. Let's see where this is at here. I can honestly just turn this thing around now. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll turn it around and I'll zoom it in. Whoop. Turn it around, zoom it in. Let's see here. You want to go like right here. Roughly in this area here. No, I don't even do stocks. Nope. No stocks, no crypto. I just do the futures market. It's the NASDAQ 100, to be honest. There's not much going on right now. Looks a little boring, as you can see. Let's look for a little break right here. A little breakout to the high side. We'll see. Let's get some lines in here. Looking like it may hold, may not hold. We'll see. Oh. All right. Next, this might drop. Okay, let's see here. So right now I got I'm copy trading 3 Apex accounts at 150K each. I need to make 9,000 to be able to get a qualifying account, and we will see where it goes. As of right now, it's getting pushed down a little bit. It's not really doing much. So 3 accounts, 3 contracts minimum. So I'll do 3 here. I'm gonna go with 9 contracts total on this one. So 9 contracts, and then we're gonna see if I can get a little pop breakout right here. Okay, I'm gonna get long. Hopefully, you can come grab me here at 45s. Good. Long. Gonna see if this thing can pop right back up into this area here. It's pushing down a little bit. I think those are just dip buys. We'll see if they wick out. Down a little bit here. Waiting. That thing snaps. It's gonna suck. Yeah. Waiting. 540, 600, that's not good. So let's see if this thing can hold right here off this trend line. Doesn't look like it's holding much. It's getting a lot of bear action on it right now, I'll tell you that. I'm gonna hold right here for a minute. I need to see it pop back over this this 3 line here, and I'll add to it. This trending line. Kind of in a holding pattern though. It's getting aggressive. It's getting aggressive. I might have to get out. Adding, adding, adding. For the pop back up right here. Here we go. Pop back up. This is where I wanted to go, back up and over that. Squeeze all those guys out. I need to get a little bit out of there. Little pop. There we go. See if we can hold this area a little bit here. There we go. A little pop out again. Having it squeeze from the bottom up and regain this trend line. Now I'm only down, or only up on one contract. I'll put in for the little pop and then I'm out. There, that's good. It's kind of struggling around that line, so I just got out. The whole thing was to kind of just scale into it. So I got into the high, which is fine. I'm out now. But so I got 3 accounts I'm trading. This is a demo account. It's not even real. It's a qualifying account to get funded. I need to make $9,000 right now. I'm up 427 on these 3 accounts that I'm copy trading at the moment. So I'm not sitting here saying this is real money. It's not. When it's real money, I'll let you know when it's real money. But right now it's just review accounts, from that are just to get funded. Each one of these accounts cost me about $50, which in theory it's a hell of a deal. All right, so that thing failed. It's coming down pretty good here. I'm gonna see if this is gonna pop up a little bit. But so right here, over here, this is like a supply. The supply zone's a little bit up here, but you got a little bit of a demand zone down here is what I was getting at. That got used back there, it looks like. So it got used over here a little bit. It has potential to keep on going down. The way I draw this out, though, is like I'd get a rectangle, right? And then I just get a little rectangle and draw something right in here. And that is going to be your buy area. So it already came down and touched once, because if you look at these candles, it came in, it touched it, but you just want to make sure that it doesn't close in there. So if this thing closes outside that box, I'll throw a contract on. So right now it'd be 3 contracts each account, but I don't want to do that. Okay, pushing up off that area. It's gonna go retest this trend line here. Probably regain it. We'll see. It's looking pretty aggressive. I'm gonna go back down to 3 on these. 3 contracts. It's looking like it's gonna push, but it's not really. I'll see him. There's some volume. There we go. There it is. It's pushing now. It's almost like it's getting stuck. I'm gonna go short right here to see if it's a fake out, breakout, and then pulls back down. But it's probably gonna squeeze, to be honest. And if it is, I'm gonna switch. Let's see what happens. I really loaded it up right there to see if this thing can push up. Nope, it's going down. I want this to turn green and then rip up and squeeze out the short, all the shorts up this way. 34 is my entry. That's not that great. It's at the top. See if it can pop. We got some large contracts on right now. Gonna see the squeeze up into green. That's what I want to see. I need to see some momentum. Let's see, I got 30, so I'll do 10. Pull off 10. Oops. Yeah, this is gonna be a big one if it can squeeze. That's the only thing, is if it can squeeze. When it squeezes, it's my average right there. When it squeezes, it's gonna go right to green. It's gonna go bam and just rip. I gotta take some off, I think, though, because it's a little on the high end of this candle, but it's a bottoming wick candle, which is nice. I just don't have the leverage to be able to take it back on into here. Watching. Watching for the squeeze. Watching for this to squeeze up. Green. Get above this level again. I might take some off early just to get a better cost average and then not have so many contracts on, though. New candle. New candle, make a new high right there at 32. Once 32 breaks, they should rip right over. That's what I need, though. I need that big push up right here. This needs to be the big push. Big push right here, green candle, just to start pushing right up. This should be the loop down, right up, right here. There's the push, there's the push. Popped above for a second. I don't like, oh yeah, threes, so 12, I'll do 12 and 12 on this one. I don't like how it rejected that. That wasn't very cool. That's not good at all. We'll see if it can pop back up, though. I should have, that's horrible. I'm gonna have to pull off some of this right now, and I'll just work my way back in, unfortunately, because this thing's just, it got rejected right there. I don't like that. I'd be really surprised if we kept pulling down, but I don't know. We'll see. Just need an imbalance. I'll take a little bit more off. Now I'm down 800 on the day. Now it's going to start squeezing. Of course. It's all right. 6. Just looking a little weak right here. You'd think that would go, but it's not. Just chopping around, not doing much. I'm gonna add right here. Starting to push. It's gonna squeeze up. I mean, it's just a matter of time, and then not taking on too many contracts. Letting it work. Over the 31s. There we go. Pushing up, retest the 40s, and then into the 50s. It's got to get some momentum, though. All right, here we go. It's breaking up and over here a little bit. Let's see if we can really push here, because right now it's getting a little. There we go. Here's where I need to see it just push right up and start squeezing. Squeeze up. Watching it. Some buyers are, and there's the dip. There's the buy. We'll see if we can pop right here, back up into like this area here into the 38s, 35 to 38s, right here. There we go. Okay, I'm going to be adding right here. Okay, adding as it pushes and squeezes up. Hopefully it doesn't reject and it just really squeezes up here in like 38s to the 40s and then into this trend line. Just watching for that pop. Buyers are stepping up a little bit here, a little bit, kind of holding it. I'm going to add again. There we go. Come on, push it up. Let's go. I don't want to see this rejection. Yeah, see, they're trying to get us all offside. They're doing a good job. Holding below a little bit. They're trying to get everybody caught up here that's trying to go long, get the long stuck. But what I want to see is the shorts get stuck down here and then rip it right up. That's what I'm looking for right here. There you go. I'm not seeing much movement though. I'm going to start pulling some off here, I think. Let's go. Keep pushing. We need to be over 35. Over this 35 here. Keep going. Push up over the 35. Next is 38 and then up to the 40s. $243. Keep going. Come on. Push. Keep going. I'm just taking off some size. Oh, there's the squeeze. I took it all off. Darn it. That's what I was talking about. That was what I was waiting for. Son of a gun. Took off too many. Anyways, that's what I was talking about was going to happen. That squeeze up right into the 38s and then into the 40s. And there it is. Now they're getting retraction, hopefully up above this. I'm not getting in front of that. I'll take a long right there though. Now it's popped over, came back down, retested. I'm long now. Let's see if I can add. I'm gonna add low down here in the 40s again. Hopefully you can keep above this line. Next candle can pop right back up. Here we go, ripping. Let's go, ripping all the way back up into about the 50s. I'm gonna add one more. It's getting aggressive, but I want to see it rip all the way back up into the 50s. I don't want to see any rejections here. Dip buyers come in, they grab that, and they start pushing it higher. There we go. Ripping. Let's go. Taking some off. Right at the top there. Keep pushing. Let's go. All up into this, right up into this little nice little line right here. Right to the 50s. I'm gonna adding right now. One more. Be able to push right up into the 50s. Nice. Pushing. All right, pushing a little bit here. Got 18 contracts on. Let's see if we can get a little something going here. Push that right up into the 45s and then right past that into the 50s. Here's the 45s right here. See if I can get that up into the 50s. I don't see this rejecting. No, maybe. I doubt it though. I would not think so. I'm adding for the pop over. I don't believe that one, but no way. Come on. Pop right back up. Let's go. Got some big contract size on now, 42. I just need this thing to pop right back up and take that trend line and just rip its face off and go right back up. Just like that. Keep pushing. Let's go. Don't get stuck. Come on. Let's go. I didn't want to see that. Maybe it's a dip and a rip. Dip and a rip. I got some pretty large size on. 42 contracts, 3 accounts. This thing's gonna get bought right back up. That's what I want. The only problem is my size, so contract size could be an issue. Watching it. This is a qualifying account. It's not all cash. It's just a qualifying account. So you get a little aggressive in here. Need this to break up. To push all the way up. Buyers are coming in. I'll lighten up for sure. Just over the 40s, want to see that pop right here. Bottoming tail coming up. This is a 5-minute chart, so just watching it. It's going to regain this line, this trend line, and continue higher is what I want to see. Pop right up over the 40s. Watch it turn green. Here goes. Here comes the push. Watch those get taken out. Pop, 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 pop. All 3 of these. All contracts. I want to see them all get taken out. I don't want to see a rejection here. This is going to be a nice squeeze up. Gotta see the got 3,100 left as far as margin goes down, so that's not bad. I'd be freaking out if I was short right now. I'd be like, oh boy, it's gonna squeeze against me. Oh my god, oh my god. It's going to squeeze against me. Green, green, green. Here we go. Green, green. Take a little bit off right here, so let it pop and take them all out. Flash green for a second there. I don't like that. I want to see it push some momentum. That's where it's. Oh man, everybody's getting snapped. What do I have left? I don't have much left. I might blow it. This could be it. Oh, slammed. Killed everybody. Look at that wick, dude. All the way down to where I drew the line. Look at that. Right down here and then whipped right back up. Well, that's the chances you take sometimes when you're trading these bigger accounts. Not a problem. Is what it is. We get back to 20K yet? Yeah, no. I just went kind of swinging on these. Usually these things, they come down, they break these lines, they come back up, and they just squeeze back up. But it's been kind of downtrending. Just did a little swing for the fences on that. No big deal. That's what qualifying accounts are for. It's all good. I still think this has some promise, but I don't know. It's kind of looking like it's rolling over. We'll see how it plays off this, we'll see how it plays off this this demand zone right here. It's coming back down into it, so. The patient thing to do is to wait for it to come down in this zone, wait, new candle and make a new high, and then just risk to the bottom of it. And then that's like a legit play. For sure. Well, that's it for me today, trading. Blew it. Darn it. But that's what happens when you trade. Sometimes it doesn't work out. That was a bearish engulfing candle. But then you see it's holding those lows. I took a huge size, so I was expecting a breakout. So that was definitely a little bit on me, for sure. It's all good. I should put a little poll out, see if anybody's trading the futures market. Or do you trade prop firms?